I'm all hopped up on caffeine. I made the whipped coffee. It's so delicious. Anyways, you guys, hi, welcome if you're new here. Hello, nice to meet you. Anyone else getting weird now after a month of, oh, I got lipstick on my teeth. Anybody else getting weird now that we've had nothing to do for over a month now? At least where I live, it's been over a month now. I'm very thankful I get to go to work because I'm an essential worker. So I'm very grateful for that. Let me know down below what you guys are currently grateful for, and I just hope you are all doing well because this has not been fun. Boxycharm arrived, so I'm gonna dive on into this box. Per usual, I will be doing a giveaway of the products I don't need. So yeah, if you like monthly giveaways, then yeah, click that subscribe button. Okay. And let's just see what's in here. This month they did include a little coupon. I think this is a coupon. Yes, 20% off your purchase at makeuperaser.com. I have had these in the past. They do work, but they're not my favorite. I actually found these Japanese cloths from Trader Joe's that I love for washing my face at night. It is my all-time favorite. If I can find them or what they're called, I'll put it in the description box down below. Because I'm sure Boxycharm makes plans, you know, more than a month in advance. This theme is festival vibes, which there shall be no festivals anytime soon, sadly. It just puts a little salt in the wound, you know? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to keep for myself is actually something I'm very excited to see in the box because I do believe a lot of Boxycharm subscribers are going to love having this product in here. And it's a pretty high-end brand, in my opinion. This is the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Hydrate Primer. The silky smooth hydrating face primer instantly moisturizes and refreshes skin, helps makeup stay put, and minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original, plus 12 hours of hydration. It says normal to dry skin. I have oily skin, and I'm honestly not afraid to use this. I'm hopeful it will still work. As long as it's not like super duper dewy hydration, I think I can get away with it. I put a moisturizer on every single day, even with oily skin. It's so important to hydrate, so I think I'll be okay with this. I know there are so many normal to dry skin gals out there, so I think you guys will absolutely love this. This comes in at $32. The box is $25, so I'm already off to an extremely great start. And I just feel like primer is not something we get in here a ton. The next thing I am excited about because I have an addiction to skincare, and we have received this brand quite a few times, and I haven't really dived into the products that much. I have a problem, you guys. I have a backup skincare stash that sometimes I don't get to things for a little bit because I got a lot of skincare. So I haven't dived into this brand a lot, but I'm always excited when I see it in there because it's expensive. This is the Elemis Superfood Sisa? I have no idea how to say that. Calm Hydration Juice. This says loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe, this gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced-looking complexion. Who doesn't love skincare? I think, maybe I'm biased, but I feel like everybody's happy to get skincare in their box. I know I always am. This comes in at $48, and I like that it's in a glass bottle. That's a little more luxe. That like feels weighted in your hand. It's easy to recycle. I really do love that. Then the last thing in here is something I'm going to keep for myself because I'm just so curious about it. I have purchased from Iconic London before, and I loved their Luminous Dewy Mist. I can't remember what it's called right now. It's like a glow mist basically, but it is like glowy. And they're really known for making very glowy products. So this is the Iconic London Illuminator. I don't use stuff like this a lot, but I just want to. I really want to, you guys. So this one I'm going to keep for myself. It says this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation. Ooh, I do like that. Primer or moisturizer. Oh, I love all those ideas. Or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. $41. This stuff is not cheap for this small bottle, and I'm really excited because I got the original shade. I've seen some people have gotten a rose gold tone, and I do not think that would work for my skin tone. I think it would totally clash. So I'm very glad to see I got this color, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on right now. Gonna do it. Here we go. Ooh, oh my word. That is... They're not lying. That's a glow. If you wanted that J-Lo look, like, oh, hi, hello. Regular shoulder, okay. Ooh, glowy shoulder. Alright, now let's dive into the items I'm going to be giving away to one lucky member of the Lash fam. To enter my giveaway, everything is down in the description box below, so make sure you're following along to make sure you are fully entered. I have a few little rules for my giveaways. Number one, of course, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to be a member of the Lash fam, so if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. Second of all, you do have to be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. And last of all, please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash fam so I know you are entering the giveaway, and if you could leave an Instagram handle for me to contact you at, that would be super helpful. If you don't have Instagram, it's not the end of the world. I'll still contact you on here. And then the two items I'm going to be giving away are right here. The first one I really considered keeping for myself, but I was like, no, give it away. Give it away. This is the Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo in Electric Pink and Blue. Electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or pop it in the inner corner of your eyes for a bold look. $42. Wow. They look like eye pencils, but I'm guessing they're going to be a very gel glidey formula. I love a pop of color in eyeliner and in the inner corner, so I think this is so much fun. And then the other thing I'm going to give away is because we received this lip gloss in a different box. I used the other gloss we got several months ago in Boxycharm by Iconic London. Their glosses are fantastic, so I know someone's going to absolutely love this gloss. This is the Iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss, $26. It says the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, that sounds scientific, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. You guys will seriously love these, so if you want to get in on the giveaway, make sure you are following along and entering. And then lastly, I do want to mention that I have held off all of my shipping out for giveaways just until things kind of get a little bit back to normal. I know that could be normal, could be a while. So that's what I'm saying, a little bit more back to normal. I just know that a lot is already getting put on the United States Postal Service workers, so you know, I don't want to add to that. So I'm just going to wait till things calm down just a little bit, and then I'll get all the winners pulled and sent out. So yes, you guys, that is everything in my box. I can honestly say I'm more happy with this regular Boxycharm than last month's Boxy Luxe. Like, this to me, way better. Is it my favorite box I've ever gotten? Probably not, but I'm not like disappointed with any of the items in here. I don't feel like I was gypped by any of the items in here. Like, it's useful items. The values seem to match, you know, what I'm used to with Boxycharm. So I hope they keep this up, and I really hope they improve Boxy Luxe because last month was a disappointment. Okay guys, that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed a little unboxing action. I always love when Boxycharm arrives. I'm like, ooh, Christmas. And then let's do the shout out of the day because I haven't done one of those in a while. Today's shout out of the day is Melly Bean. She commented on my recent perfume collection video and told me some of her favorite scents. Oh my gosh, Melly, I totally love your recommendations, and the things you like to wear definitely sound similar to what I like to wear. The one you mentioned that I really want to try is Flower Bomb, and I actually just made a purchase from Sephora and they sent me a sample. I'm so excited. So thank you so much for the comment, and thank you for being here. I'm so glad you are part of the Lash fam. You guys, that is everything for today. As always, please, more than ever, please remember to try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.